Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp with broccoli step by step. First, let's prepare our ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of shrimp, 1 head of fresh broccoli, and your favorite seasonings like garlic and soy sauce. If your shrimp are frozen, make sure to thaw them completely. Then, carefully peel and devein each shrimp. Next, wash your broccoli thoroughly and chop it into small, manageable florets, ready for cooking. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet or wok over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your prepared broccoli florets to the pan. Stir-fry the broccoli for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. You want the broccoli to become tender crisp, retaining a slight bite and vibrant green color, rather than becoming overly soft or mushy. This quick cooking method helps preserve its nutrients and texture. With the broccoli perfectly tender crisp, it is time to add the star of our dish, the shrimp. Carefully place the prepared shrimp into the skillet alongside the broccoli. Cook the shrimp for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. You will know they are done when they turn a beautiful pink color and become opaque throughout. It is crucial not to overcook the shrimp, as this can make them tough and rubbery. Keep them tender and juicy. Almost there. To finish this delightful dish, stir in 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Toss all the ingredients together gently for about 1 minute, ensuring the flavors are well combined and the sauce coats everything evenly. The aroma will be incredible. Your homemade shrimp with broccoli is now ready to be served. Enjoy this quick, healthy, and incredibly flavorful meal immediately, perhaps with some rice or noodles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.